Hi guys, today we are making strawberry crunch mini loaf cakes. And so the cake does consist of strawberry cake, strawberry crunch coat, and then 3 chocolate covered strawberries dipped inside of a rose mold so that they look like they're a rose. So we have the strawberry cake I have baked, and I did make the buttercream icing. So we're going to go ahead and spread that buttercream icing on this mini loaf cake, making sure that we get each and every area of it so that we don't have any of the cake exposed. And I'm just going to refill here real quick. Alright. And just one more line. And then we're going to go ahead and what we're going to do is we're going to take our strawberries that I've dipped and put into our rose mold. We're going to pull those off. Here's the first one. You see how it's just been dipped and set right on top of that rose mold so that once you pull this out of the silicone mold, you have a beautiful little rose there. And also guys, you can do like a dozen roses with the strawberries by using these molds. So pretty. And we're just going to place these right inside of this little cake here. And typically I would just do one on each edge, but I did 3 different sizes. So we're just going to put all 3 of them on here. Just to show you. But I think it might be a little too many roses on just this tiny little cake. So you would just want to do like 1 or 2 at the very most. Maybe 1 on each side. And then we're going to sprinkle it with the strawberry crunch coat. And for those of you that don't know how to do that strawberry crunch coat, it is super easy. You just take the strawberry jello and crush up Oreos, vanilla Oreos, and butter, and it turns out awesome. So here is the final cake. As you can see, it looks delicious and it tastes just as delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching.